narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari. Some people asked Allah's Messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whose Islam is the best? That who is the best Muslim? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, the one who avoids the harming Muslim by their tongues and hand. Thank you.
Amazing facts about Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayh. First, he started studying hadith at a very young age. At the age of 16, he started studying the biographies of all the narrators and all the famous books of the scholars. Second, he himself has said that he had written the books from 1080 teachers and all of them were experts in hadith. Third, his famous book, which is known as Sahih al-Bukhari, is untitled as Al-Jami as-Sahih. Fourth, the process of compiling this book was done by Imam Bukhari and in the two holy cities, that is in Makkah and in Medina, and it took him 16 years to compile this book. Fifth, he has written many books in his life. His work is not only in the discipline of hadith, but also the other science such as tariq and fiqh. Sixth, after many years, when he returned to his hometown, he built madrasas for children. Seventh, on 1 Shawwal 256 AH, Imam Bukhari passed away at the age of 62 years in his hometown. Thank you.
Information about Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayh. The full name of Imam Bukhari was Abu Abdullah Muhammad ibn Ismail. He was born on Friday 13 Shawwal 196 after Hijri in Bukhara city, which was known as Uzbekistan in present day. His father was Ismail ibn Ibrahim. He was a scholar of hadith and an alim Islamic scholar. His father died when he was an infant, so his mother took the entire responsibility of bringing him up. Imam Bukhari had an extremely stronger memory at an early age. His memory was considered to be inhuman. At the age of 18, Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayh visited Makkah with his mother and brother. His mother and brother returned to Bukhara after performing Hajj, but Imam Abu Bukhari stayed there for further education and spent 2 years in Makkah and learned fiqh, hadith and Islamic jurisprudence. After spending 6 years in Makkah and Medina, he went to Basra, Kufa and Baghdad and also in Egypt and Syria. He went to many different countries just to gather the precious words of the Prophet ﷺ. He feared Allah in everything he did, just because he had the highest rank for piety and righteousness. He kept himself away from backbiting and respected people's right. He was very polite, tolerant and gentle. He always prayed for forgiveness for those who attributed evil to him. If he needed to correct anyone, he would never embarrass him in front of public. These qualities of Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayh made him a revered figure of Islamic world. His work, the Sahih al-Bukhari, is considered as the authentic book after the Holy Quran. Thank you.